Okay, now that we are done with Halloween and everything is put away, it is time to decorate for Christmas. So we kind of go all out with that too. And I'm going to take you along this year. So Exhibit A is what we have in front of us here. Now, we're having a little trouble with the zipper here, so this is not all the way filled up, but nevertheless, what we have here is a 2-meter walking ball, and it is intended to be a toy that goes into a lake or pool of some sort, and you get inside of it and you're able to walk on water. We're not using it for that. What we're going to do, and you can see by the tape around here already, is we are going to spray half of this with with a reflective surface, a reflective spray paint. And I'm going to show you that in a little while. Just half of it. Then we're going to put it onto a kiddie pool, and we're going to project from behind, and it's going to be a snow globe. So just wanted to show you right up front, at the very beginning, before we got started. So there it is. It's a big, huge, clear ball, but what better thing would you want for a snow globe, right? And especially a snow globe that has a moving and sort of living scene inside playing continuously. So, all right, so I'm going to show you as soon as we start to spray this thing. After I spray it and it dries and it gets dark out, I'm going to be able to show you exactly what it'll look like. We have the kiddie pool coming in tomorrow. It's like a $2 plastic kiddie pool, and that's going to serve as the base. Okay, as promised, we're about to frost the snow globe, only half of it. I'm using Rust-Oleum frosted glass appropriately at your local Home Depot. So let's do this. Alright, so we're all done. I'm going to show you what this looks like before I light it up for you at night. And so let me give you a quick look, and then you'll see what the final product looks like tonight, and then you can do your own. Here is the back of the ball. You can see it sprayed with the frosted spray. Kiddie pool, there's 2 kiddie pools, one upside down, one right side up. There are, now I'm going to spray this also, but there are bricks underneath those, and there's bricks inside of there that I can show you on the other side. These walking balls have outside sort of attachments to them. You absolutely need these. This is like a 6-foot sail. It picks up so much wind and will absolutely wind up at the end of your street, so you absolutely need to tie it down. I recommend using these Home Depot tie downs. They work great when they go really far into the ground. And so let me show you what this looks like during the day. There you go. This is our snow globe. You can see the two kiddie pools right there that I picked up from Ace Hardware. They usually have them in stock, and then you'll be able to see it at night, but that's what it looks like during the day. You can also see now, I just got all the stuff to make a projector box out of this, because it absolutely needs to be in a projector box because of rain, because of people stealing it for many reasons, but it has to have a projector box. It does not right now. This is a 3000 lumen projector. I stay with Epson. I really love Epson. You can get them for almost nothing offline, and they work great. You do need a media player for them, but I will show you once it gets dark out what this looks like. The few nights that I've even had this out so far, people are stopping, people are coming by to look at it. I can't wait to show it to you at night to see what kind of effect it is. I think for next year, I'll definitely do another one of these. For now, I'm going with this, and I can't wait to show you what this looks like at night and how easy it is to do, and that really anybody can do it. So that's it for now.